Welcome, in front of me is a VIVO X90 Pro, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, simply pull down your notifications and extend it by swiping down on it once again. This will show you all the toggles, and hopefully on one of the pages we can see our screen recorder like this one. Now once you see this toggle, you can either tap on it to start recording, or you can hold it and this will take you to the settings where we can select, for instance, image quality. It's set to medium. I'm gonna select high. It's kind of stupid that it doesn't give us the actual resolution and bit rates, but I guess I'm expecting too much from basically a pocket computer. Anyway, so I'm gonna be guessing here because obviously you can see that there's zero information. So I'm assuming that the medium is a 720p while high is 1080p, which will also mean that high is probably either at 16 or 24 megabits per second, while the medium could be at something below 16 or 16. So yeah, now this is just a guess. I have no clue. So I still recommend changing it to high. It will give you a better image fidelity. Anyway, from there, let's find the toggle once more. Tap on it. Okay. Here we have the start recording. As you can see, it begins recording. So whatever I'll do right now obviously will be recorded by the device. And once I'm done, I can interact with this overlay right here. Just tap on it and then select the red square. This will automatically save your screen recording to your album. Now, unfortunately, it's not showing up in the photos, which is the main page that you will always see. So you want to navigate to albums, and then you will see screen recording album. And obviously here you'll find strictly screen recordings that you will capture over the longevity of this device. Now it looks like it actually records it at something that looks like 60 frames, so that's pretty good. But anyway, this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.